welcome you in English class 6. Dear students, today I shall teach you lesson number 18. It's belong to a poem named A Child's Dream. Okay, you can find this poem from page number 116. Okay, dear students, first of all I reciting this poem. I had a little dog and my dog was very small. He liked me in the face and he answers to my call. Of all the treasures that were mine, I loved him most of all. We ran out in the morning, both of us to play up and down across the fields for the sunny day. But he ran softly, he ran right away. I looked for him, I called him. Enteringly, alas, the dandelions could not speak, though they had seen him pass. I called him in 1,000 ways, and yet he did not come. The pathways and the hedges were horrible and dumb. I prayed to God, who never heard my desperate soul grow numb. The sun sank low, I ran, I prayed it, God has not the power to find him. Let me die, I can't bear another hour. When suddenly I came upon a great yellow flower, and all amongst its petals, such was heaven's grace. In that golden hour, in that golden place, all among its petals was his hairy face. So now, dear students, this poem composed by Francis Comfort. Now I am telling you the substance of this poem. Listen carefully. The loss of the most beloved things is always terrible. You know, the loss of the most beloved things is always terrible. That's why in this poem, the Francis Comfort describe the terrible pain by a boy. The child is shown to be greatly attached to his pet dog. The child has a terrible dream that his beloved pet dog runs away into the woods and is lost. So he is finding him in the forest until the sun sank. But he looks after the dog everywhere in the jungle. Suddenly, in his dream, he finding his dog, he came upon a great yellow flowers. He seems that flowers petals him look like the God's blessing. So he cries, runs and prays to God. What does he pray to God? Please give me support for finding my pet dog. That's why he seems that his flowers petals him look like the God blessing. Suddenly he got. At that happy moment, he feels beautiful face, his pet dog, among the flowers petals, who's forgot his pet dog from his memory. Okay. So, dear students, I think you have properly understood the theme of this poem, A Child's Dream. Now, you have to write the difficult word meaning from page number 117. Treasures. Treasures means costly things. Next, entreatingly, in a begging sort of way. Dandelions, a kind of flowers. Hedges, bushes. Dumb, silent. Desperate, hopeless. Heaven's grace, God blessing. Golden hour, happy time. Golden place, beautiful place. So now dear students, note down in your notebook all these difficult word meaning. Okay, goodbye students.